In the production workshop of DOTAR, the quality inspectors are focusing on the eyes and skillful actions to control the quality of each wheel and shaft. As the core component of transmission machinery, the accuracy of wheels and shafts directly affects the operating efficiency in life of equipment. The inspectors of DOTAR are well aware of the great responsibility. They hold precision measuring tools, compare the process drawings, meticulously measure every hole diameter, every shaft diameter, and strictly control the dimensional error. In the face of complex curved surfaces or internal groove structures, they repeatedly check and do not let go of any subtle burrs or scratches. For the hardness index after heat treatment, they use professional instruments to detect at multiple points to ensure that the data is true and reliable. On the test bench, each product from the hardness of the material to the heat treatment effect, from the thread accuracy to the dynamic balance test, the inspectors operate in strict accordance with the ISO quality management system to ensure that each batch of products can stand the market inspection. Quality is the lifeline of the enterprise. All inspectors of DOTA are interpret the responsibility with the measuring tools in their hands, protect the brand with a rigorous attitude, and contribute their own strength to the excellent quality of DOTAR manufacturing.